Hello everyone, it's Ali, and in this tutorial I'll go through how to use Google Forms. Google Forms is a, you know, a site that allows you to create quizzes and um, forms that people can fill in for you to gather information regarding a topic. So it's pretty much what it is in a nutshell. So I'll go through what it is now in detail. So as simple as opening up a form like that. I've got previous forms here as well. So how you do it to create a new form, you go here to create a new form, and from here you can go all crazy with how you want to edit your thing. So I can just say 2021 COVID. Oops, don't want that. COVID. What could it be? Student experiences. So that could be a topic we have, and then we can describe what it is. It could be on the baseline of, it could be in the lines of how the experience was studying online, and if they want to go back to offline, on campus and whatnot. So that's just where you can put description, and then you can write a question. How has your experience been studying online? And then you can write up options like good, bad, boring, sure. So really, it's up to you. You can add images. Google image search. You can get it from your camera, Google Drive. So type in chill or chilling, because that's what it is. Insert that, and that's the image for that. So you can obviously resize the image and put it accordingly, but it's like a multiple choice. As you can see here, it's a type of question. It's a multiple choice question. It can be a checkbox, so it can be like you're selecting as well all the options. But yeah, so you got a bunch of questions you can add. So I'll add another question. Oops. And other types to show you other types. You can make it a short answer question while they reply in using writing up something rather than choosing. Drop down menu. You can just drop it down for you. What else is there? You can add a video. Add an image to the question. A video. You can add a title, a title and description if you want to break up the topics. Another question. So yeah, it's quite good in that regard. It's giving you all this flexibility of what kind of information you want to gather. And after you've collated some information and you've got some forms filled in, you head over to responses, and it will give you the responses in. It doesn't show here, but I can show you other one that I've done. And give you responses in graphs and charts, and So I'll go back to what I was doing, what I did before, so it makes more sense. So again, this is a form I did earlier in the semester. So a range of questions, for images as well. So I got 7 responses from that, from these people, where they had to put in their first name, and then put in their age range, where they're living in Melbourne, whether they prefer studying online or on campus. All these, was this affected their preference to read, the previous question. So many prefer going on campus again. And yeah, so you can have questions that follow up on each other. In these questions where I asked which area did you enjoy being around the most, where they had to put in a geolocation from Google, so in this format from Google Maps. again for here as well, favorite cafe and restaurant. So that can give us these in, this is latitude, longitude, they give that those references, and you can use it, let's say in MapRoom, to kind of pinpoint, on a map where they've preferred, where they've chosen. So yeah, this is results, and then you can head over, I believe, where was the thing? Yep, right here. What was this again? You can download as a CSV. Yeah, and here you can download as in your sheet as an Excel sheet here, and this is where you have all the information as an Excel sheet, which you can turn into a CSV, and then you can go on create a data set in MapRoom, for example. So it's quite handy, good in that process. So as you can see, longitude and this is latitude, so so I've separated it from before so I can get that information in MapRoom. So this is what Google Forms does. It's quite good, very easy to, create a form and get quick results. So I hope this video helped in learning how to use Google Forms, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was clear, and thank you for watching.